Hey, it's a really nice 790 Duke just come in. Quite a furious little bike. Really nice and clean. It's literally just come out of the van on here, so we haven't cleaned it or anything, but it does look lovely. It's got Austin Racing exhaust. I believe that looks like a Decat exhaust. Certainly sounds like one. Really clean bike. Engine's lovely and clean. Nice low mileage one. Serviced up to date. Front tyres really good. Back tyre's really good as well. It's got tail tidy fitted. We'll have a standard size number plate. A little bit too small, that one. So everything looks lovely on it. Can't really see any marks on there. It's got these funny little mirrors fitted, but we do have the standard mirrors to go with it. Standard tail tidy. It's got a little quad lock on it. It's proper quad lock, I think. Yeah, the quad. Turn it on. So traction control, ABS. Uh, 5926. Oh no, that's not. That's a trip meter. Tell what mileage is. Trips and data maybe. General info. Oh, 5924 miles. Settings. Units. Daytime riding lights. Quick selector. See what's on that. So riding modes. Riding modes we have sport, street and rain, motorcycle, so we've got MTC, different ABS modes. It's got a quick shifter, if that's been unlocked. You can adjust the shift light. So yeah, it's nice, got a quick shifter. Now for the best bit.